What's going on, everybody? It's Joey here with Simply RCs. Tried to do a trailing video for you today. I'm just getting home. I figured I'd pull over, do a little intro for you. Took the Bronco out after doing a few upgrades to it. I did a bumper, I got a winch, I got the rear tire rack, I got a rear little luggage rack, which turned out to be more of a trail groomer, which got in the way today. I went out with Tanner and Marcus. We didn't get any footage of with Marcus, but I got a couple pictures of the trucks looking good today. You also get to see the new truck that I got for Boxing Day, well, for my birthday, which was Christmas Day. The wife surprised me with it, so thank you. And yeah, I tried trailing with it, but it ended up being just a road drifter. So I'll toss a picture of that up there, but I didn't get any footage of it. Today was more just fun and dealing with the wind and whatever else, but I got a couple pictures of the F450 that I got now and the Bronco with its new upgrades. So I'll toss those in the video. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Did the best I could to get some footage. I've been away for a little while. I was sick for a bit. I was on Christmas break, so spending time with family and doing other things. So yeah, anyway, enjoy the video. Uh-oh. As he does it. Oh. You're coming. Keeper passenger. Come on. She's still moving. I think your window's caught. Just go right for the camera, okay?
Bro, it made it though.
I think mine is too.
Yeah, you have like a pile.
In the summer.
Yeah. So that I can stab them with the arrow. And I'll come back and they'll all be melted. That was you that said that, right?
What's that?
PLA.
Yeah.
In the sun.
Yeah, it
It'll start
warps.
deforming.
Yeah.
Yeah. try not to get our cars in there, then there's me.
Peekaboo! I think we're gonna call it there. Tried to make a snow crawling video, didn't quite work out. Snow's a little too deep. As you can see, the trail is nowhere near plowed or broken in, so we'll have to come back another time. But yeah, till then, see you in the next one.